What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren if you're new here, and today I'm here with the highly requested video review of the Prodentim dental probiotic. This is something that a lot of you have asked me, have I tried it yet? Because I've reviewed some other dental products in the past, and this one I guess is the latest and greatest big thing that's out there. And a few weeks ago, I was at the dentist and my gums still have a little bit of issues, but nothing serious. But my dentist actually recommended that I get a probiotic, more specifically a probiotic focused on dental health. So I decided what better time than now to actually go ahead, get the Prodentim, try it out, and I've been using it for a few weeks now. So I'm going to tell you guys some things. I am a real person. I actually use this. When I was looking for information and reviews out there, I found a lot of not so real reviews. So I wanted to actually try it myself and then tell you guys, because I figure there's some people out there that want to know about it. Gummy tastes good, way better than I was expecting. And more importantly, when I was looking, I bought this from their website directly. I put it below because I saw that some of them were on Amazon, and the company itself does not suggest that you buy it anywhere but their trusted website. So that is number one. Number two, I had to go back to the dentist actually for something unexpected, but not a routine visit, just a couple days ago. And she told me within 3 weeks, so I've been taking this for 3 weeks now, every single day. Within 3 weeks of me being there, the last time, she has seen an improvement in my dental oral health overall, my gums and everything else. Another reason why I love this product is because it is safe. So there's natural ingredients inside here, and there is a lot of good bacteria. So you can read all of the information on their website, but you probably already know probiotics are full of good bacteria, and good bacteria helps our health essentially. And these help our dental health. It helps with gum health. I have even noticed that my teeth have gotten whiter. It even helps with overall health. So they mention on their website that it'll help with allergies. So allergy symptoms, it'll help with bad breath if you suffer from bad breath, and a lot of other things too. So that was another reason why I chose this brand specifically, was because yes, it is focused on dental health and it'll help your overall dental and oral health, but it's gonna improve your overall health as well. So that was a big plus for me. All the ingredients inside of here I checked out before I got it, because that is something that's very important to me when I'm buying anything that I'm consuming. So everything checks out on my list. And honestly, it sounds kind of weird, but since I've been using this, I've just felt like my teeth are stronger. I don't really know how to describe it. I just feel like I don't get as many little sensitivities as I used to when I used to drink hot or cold things. No, again, nothing super serious that I suffered from, but just little things that I've noticed. And even, like I said, my dentist has noticed a good improvement in my dental health and my gums specifically. So I feel like this product is well worth it. Again, if you get it on their trusted website, don't go to a sketchy third party, or I wouldn't even get it on Amazon, because there's a bunch of sellers on Amazon and you don't know who's giving it to you. So make sure that you're getting it from Prodentim, from their website. And they have some deals going on right now if you want to get it right now. But overall, I feel like these have helped me. My dentist has confirmed that they've helped me, and I think that this product is well worth it. I normally take a probiotic for my health, for my gut. So of course I take my oral health and my dental health seriously. So now I'm taking a probiotic for that too, because I want my teeth to last. I'm still young and I've got my whole life ahead of me, and I want to make sure that any issues that come up are taken care of. And this is going to help me even into the future with avoiding any dental issues. So I would give this a thumbs up. I would recommend Prodentim. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link below, and that's to their official website, the only place that you should get it. Again, there's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of ones out there that aren't real. And I get that question a lot about things that I try to, is how do I know that it's the real thing. Like, order from the company, order from the company's website. That's all I can recommend. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, so I imagine I will get more questions as you guys watch this, but feel free to leave them below. I would be more than happy to answer them, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.